Let's start. Today we will see how to accept a session input from the user in the Tradingview pinescript. This is the indicator function. The name is input session. Then we have used an input.session function. The default value is 9:30 AM to 1600 PM time session. The title is select session, and the options will be shown as the time sessions in the drop-down list. Here we convert the selected time session into a time variable. Then if the current time falls under the selected time session, then we set the color to green, else we set the color to red. At last, we plot the close value, and set its color as my color variable above. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, these are the available session options, and the 9:30 AM to 1600 PM time session is selected. So if the bars come under the selected time slot, the color of the line is green, else it is red. So that's it. That's how you can accept a session input from the user in the Tradingview pinescript. Thanks for watching.